Hi everyone, I am Ramasis Gupta. This is Ramasis Gupta, civil engineer. In this video, I want to share you 20 questions and answers which is important for all civil engineer and site engineer. So let's jump to the video. What is the plumb bob? Plumb bob is used to find the verticality of any structure. The maximum height permissible for free fall of concrete. As per IS 456-2000 clause 13.2, it is 1.5 meter. The maximum height for free fall of concrete should not be greater than 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter is sufficient to pour concrete. If you are pouring concrete, the height of free fall of concrete is greater than 1.5 meter, then increases the chances of segregation. What is the function of bentonite? Bentonite stabilizes the soil. What is the maximum dia of bar we can use in a slab? The answer is, as per IS code 456-2000 clause 26.5.2.2, the dia of reinforcement bar shall not exceed 1/8 of the total thickness of slab. Let us see an example. If thickness of slab is 400, then dia of reinforcement bar shall not exceed 1/8 into 400. What is the ultimate load capacity of a pile? The maximum load which a pile can carry before failure is called ultimate load capacity of a pile. What is the minimum height of parapet wall? The minimum height of parapet wall is 1 meter. It means the minimum height of parapet wall should not be less than 1 meter. When we will provide expansion joint, as per IS 456-2000 clause 27.2, the structure exceeding 45 meter in length are designed with one or more expansion joint. If the span of bridge either 45 meter or more than 45 meter, then the expansion joint between two span must be provided, because it prevent from cracks due to contraction and expansion. What is the maximum spacing between two chair, or you can say spacer bar, in slab? The answer is 1 meter. It means the maximum spacing between two chair should be 1 meter. As per IS code 456-2000, what is the minimum dia of main bar in column? So the minimum dia of main reinforcement bar in column is 12 mm. It means the main bar of column cannot be used less than 12 mm. What is the minimum length of hook? The answer is, the minimum length of hook is 75 mm. What is the factor on which development length depends? Grade of concrete and grade of steel is the main factor on which development length depends. Development length may be varies according to grade of concrete and grade of steel. What is the purpose of frog in brick? The purpose is to help in developing proper joint between brick and mortar. Which steel is used in the manufacture of steel? The manganese steel is used in the manufacture of steel bar. Which type of cement is preferable in sea-water construction? As per IS 456-2000 clause 8.2.8, the slag on pozzolana cement is used in sea-water construction, or you can say PSC or PPC cement. What should be the pH of water used in concrete? The pH of water shall not be less than 6. What is the minimum lap length taken in compression zone? The lap length in compression zone shall not be less than 24 dia, where dia is the diameter of bar. When bars of two different dia are to be lapped, then lap length will calculated on basis of which bar. The lap length shall be calculated on the basis of dia of the smaller bar. What is the full form of TMT bar? The full form of TMT bar is thermomechanical treatment. What do you mean by honeycomb in concrete? Honeycomb means voids in the concrete, or it is also known as air pocket in the concrete. As you can see, there are so many voids in concrete. You can say it is a honeycomb in concrete. What is deflection and deformation? Deflection is temporary displacement of any structure, whereas deformation is permanent displacement of the structure. In case of deflection, the structure comes back to its original position, but in case of deformation, the structure cannot come back to its original position. In the deformation, the structure is permanently displaced from its original position. Thanks for watching. Like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more videos.